Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could update the driver for a BIOS for a Lenovo computer. Regardless if you are running Windows 10, 11, or even newer version of Windows, you will be able to update your BIOS. To begin, just open your browser and type Lenovo driver and hit enter. At this stage, you will see several options. Just make sure to click on the one showing HTTPS support.lenovo.com and click on it, or Lenovo support drivers. The Lenovo official website should appear and you should see support.lenovo.com, the country, and then the language. At this stage, we are going to click on support, or you can easily scroll down and click on PC, detect product, and it should automatically start detecting your product. If this method doesn't work for you, just simply click View PC Support, enter the PC model. For example, mine it's E17 or E14. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad and click on it. At this stage, we are redirected to this product home page. Look for drivers and software and click on it. At this stage, you can opt for either automatic update or manual update. For the purpose of this video, I will show you even a third method. Just go to your search bar in Lenovo and type Lenovo Vantage and wait for it to open. If you find the option of Lenovo Vantage and you click on it to open, click on check for updates, and this should check for you automatically for the available updates. For the people who could not find this Lenovo Vantage, we will go back to the browser and I will show you how you can do it, and there are two ways, either automatic or manual. At this stage, the Lenovo Vantage should show you all the available updates. Just click on View Details. And if there is any BIOS update available for your computer, it should show here. You can just select it and click Install Now. You'll be requested to restart your computer and it should work. If for any other reason you don't see it here or you don't have this Lenovo Vantage, what you want to do, you want to go back to the browser as I showed in the beginning, and you want to choose one of the two options. The first option is automatic. You can just click Scan Now, Start Scan. The Lenovo Service Bridge should start scanning your computer. Since I have the Lenovo Bridge already installed, I can just click on it to start. And we can click Continue. And we should wait for a few seconds until it starts working. Sometimes this option might not work for you. So if it worked for you, that's what we want. But if it didn't work for you, you can click on here. You can click Download. Double click on the little file or program to start. And again, click Start Scan. In most cases, it should work for you, but if any reason it didn't work, we're gonna try the manual method. So at this stage, it didn't work for me. So one final try with Lenovo Service Bridge. So since it didn't work for me, if it didn't work for you also, that's fine. If it worked that we wanted, if it didn't work, we're gonna just go back to the initial page. We will go to manual update, select drivers, and here we need to find the one for the BIOS. So first of all, make sure to select the correct operating system, Windows 11, Windows 10, or Windows 8, 7, etc. Mine is a Windows 11 64-bit. If you don't know how to choose or which one to choose, just go back to your search bar and type dxdiag. Click on this command to run. Wait up to 30 seconds. A little window will pop up and it should tell us all the data we need about our operating system. So in this case, it's an operating system Windows 11 Pro 64. In your case, it might be Windows 8 32 or Windows 10 32. So make sure to select the compatible one. So 11 64. So here 11 64. As a next step, we'll click on BIOS. And here we need to choose the latest version. Currently, we are January and the latest version, or February, sorry, and the latest version was updated on the 13th of January. So we're going to download it. So here you need the BIOS update utility. That's what you want. Forget about bootable CD, and forget about README for BIOS update. You want this one. So click download and wait for a few seconds until it's finished. And after that, you just click on it. Windows will ask if you want to allow this software to make changes. You can go ahead and click yes. And normally, you should be prompted to update your BIOS. You need just to accept, click next, restart your computer, and the BIOS should be updated. Please, before you finalize your update, make sure to save all your work and close it before you proceed with this BIOS update. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.